This one natural ingredient has so many benefits when it comes to hair growth, but it has been overlooked. Today, I'm going to tell you all about it and also the best way to use it to grow your hair. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video and you're watching to the end. This amazing herb is called parsley. Parsley has so many benefits when it comes to hair growth, and I'm going to tell you all about it. But before using your fresh parsley, make sure to give it a good wash because you don't want any dirt in this recipe. And I'm going to show you two amazing ways that you can incorporate parsley into your hair care regimen in order to boost your hair growth. So I just added some water to my fresh parsley and I'm going to give it a good wash. Then after that, I'm going to cut the stems from it because I only need the leaves. Parsley contains high amount of copper, which helps you return your hair's color. It also conditions the hair and improves the production of collagen, which is necessary for hair growth. Parsley can improve blood circulation to the scalp to help you grow new healthy hair. It has been traditionally used as a hair tonic to disinfect scalp and control hair loss. When parsley is used, it can serve as an antioxidant which controls dandruff and other scalp issues. So after cutting all the stems of the parsley leaf, I already had some water on the stove boiling, and this is what I'm left with. So at this point, I'm going to turn off the water and I'm going to immerse my parsley leaf into the hot water. And here you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video because you might not know who you'll be helping to solve their hair issues. And thank you for doing all that. So after immersing my fresh parsley into my hot water, I waited for it to cool down. Look at how beautiful the water is looking. Guys, I'm going to show you later on how to use this water in order to boost your hair growth. But before getting into that, let's move on to the parsley leaves itself. So once you've strained it, we're going to put the parsley leaf in a blender like so. We're going to add some of the parsley water to the blender. We are trying to get a parsley juice or a parsley tonic. So you need to add some of the water to it to get the juice out of the parsley leaves. Then after that, you just have to blend it as smooth as you can. And there is one more trick I'm going to show you that works really well with this recipe. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this video so you do not mix it. Once it's all blended like so, the next thing I'm going to do is to strain it. You can use a paper towel, a cheesecloth, or any material with tiny holes. You do not want any parsley leaves in this, so make sure you're using the right material to strain it in order to get just the juice out of the parsley leaves. This parsley juice contains vitamins A, C, and E, as well as protein, and these are all necessary for a good hair development. Also, parsley is a great solution to treat hair loss or hair fall. You just have to know the right way to use it in order to get all the benefits out of it. And I'm going to show you in a minute. And again, there is one more trick or one more ingredient that you can add to this recipe in order to maximize its benefit. So this is what we're having from our hair tonic. And guys, this right here is so powerful that you must take it seriously if nothing has worked for your hair. You must give this a try. So this is what I was talking about. You can add some lemon juice to this recipe in order to maximize its benefit. Lemon contains citric acid, and this can help dissolve dead cells on the surface of the scalp and stimulates new healthy hair growth. Lemon also contains vitamin C, which helps to make hair look shiny and also boost hair growth. So I added about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to this recipe. Then after that, I'm going to give it a good stir. And hey y'all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't given the video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. So what I did was I added some oil to this recipe, and I chose to add olive oil, but you can add any oil of your choice. So how to use this recipe? You're going to use this as a pre-poo. Before washing your hair, you're going to saturate your hair with water. You're going to apply this on your scalp, on your hair strands. Then after that, massage it into your hair. Doing this is going to help it cleanse your scalp and also prevent hair breakages. This is going to give way to new healthy hair growth, because if you have bacteria and other stuff on your scalp, it's going to make it hard for you to grow new healthy hair. So this is the parsley water, the one we strained out. You do not have to throw that away. I'm also going to show you the best way to use the water alongside the juice. So what I'm going to add is some vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is only going to maximize the benefit of this hairspray. It's going to stop hair breakages and also strengthen your hair strength. After adding it, I'm going to give it a good stir. Then I'm going to transfer it into my spray bottle. So with this one, you do not have to rinse it out. Remember, with the hair tonic or the first recipe I just showed you, you use it as a pre-poo, so you need to rinse it out after 30 minutes. But when it comes to the hairspray, which is this very one, you do not have to rinse it out. Spray this on your scalp, on your hair strands, use it to refresh your braids or your locks, then massage it into your hair. After that, go in with a hair moisturizer to help this hairspray stay in your hair longer. Doing this is going to prevent hair breakages. Using this recipe consistently is going to prevent dandruff. It's going to treat your scalp. It is going to help you grow new healthy hair. If you are balding or if you're suffering from hair breakages, this can stop it. So if you're really serious about hair growth, you've tried everything and nothing seems to work for you, you must give this one natural ingredient a try. And guys, I know you're gonna love it. Thank you for watching this video. Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section below, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.